Hi friends, today I will be unboxing HP EQ0024AU laptop which I bought from Flipkart for 42,000. It comes with AMD Ryzen 5 3500U quad-core processor, 8GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB SSD. It has 15.6-inch LED display which I think is good for people working for longer hours and even for kids who are taking their classes from home. I actually wanted to buy Intel i5 8 or 10 gen processor laptop, but I found the prices for Intel i5 processor laptop have gone very high and going beyond 55,000. As you all know that due to ongoing pandemic, laptops are in huge demand and rates have gone very high. So I chose an AMD Ryzen 5 based laptop. Even this laptop price was less than 40,000 during before the lockdown, that is before March 2020, but now it's costing around 42,000. I did some research on this laptop's processor and found that its performance is quite near to Intel i5 8 gen processor, and so I went for it. Okay, so let's see what's inside and let's bring it out. I bought it from Flipkart, and Flipkart did uh, delivery on time. So thanks to Flipkart for that. And even the packaging is good. This cushioned packaging material kept the laptop safe and intact, and there is no damage as such. Okay, the laptop looks quite premium, and it's it has a charger. That's the only accessory I got. There's no laptop bag as such with it. The laptop looks very premium at first look, and it looks like the body is of metal, but it's not actually. It's of polycarbonate material, but it does look very premium. Let me bring it out from this wrapper and see. And the weight is around less than 2 kgs. It's around 1.7 kgs, which makes it really portable and easy to work with. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Okay, the keyboard looks really good, and the keys are big enough and spacious to work comfortably with them. Though it's not backlit keyboard, but that should not be a deal breaker. It does look very sleek and slim. Uh, Touchpad doesn't have the separate keys, left and right keys. And here is the HDMI port, as you can see. And this side it's two USB ports and the charger pin, but it doesn't come with a LAN port here, so LAN port is missing here. There is a speaker here, and if you turn it back, there's a ventilation, heat ventilation from here, and this is the nice two rubber strip which makes your which gives a grip to the laptop when you put it on any desk or anywhere, so that doesn't slip off. Here is the SD card port, reader port, and HDMI port again. There's another ventilation given from this side, which keeps the laptop cool. Okay, let me boot up and see how much time it takes to boot completely. This laptop comes with a 8GB DDR4 RAM, which has only one slot, so you'll have to upgrade if you want to upgrade it to 16GB. It supports till 16GB, so you have to. Okay, so boot up time is around 15 seconds. It took around 15 seconds. So if you want to upgrade the RAM, you have to let go the RAM, and you have to get, because there's only single slot here. It comes with Windows Home Basic, Windows 10 Home Basic already pre-installed in this laptop. Let me try a couple of things and see how it works. And I just uh, launched Microsoft Edge and browser, and it does look good. The speed is good. Let me just try to type and use the keyboard a bit. The keyboard is really soft, I must say, but the letters on the keyboard, on the buttons are not that clear, and they are not very dark to be visible. I am sure that you might not able to see the letters. Uh, and the touchpad also could have two separate keys for left and right, but then you have to press the lower side of the touchpad to make it work like that. And it does support gesture, multiple touch gesture, but the two keys are missing. The two dedicated left and right keys are missing in touchpad. Overall, a good laptop for daily use. Thank you.